Number one, if I want to solve this, whenever you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you do something called cross multiplying. And all you do is this. You multiply these two. And you get x times x minus 3 equals, you multiply these two. 2 times x plus 4. So basically you just cross and multiply, and then you got to solve what's left. And this is where it gets kind of ugly. Because right here you got x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 4 is 8. Now, to solve this, it's a quadratic. Whenever you have an x squared, it's quadratic, so either you're going to factor or quadratic formula. So I'm going to get it all to one side, set equal to 0. So I'm going to minus the 2x over, and I'm also going to minus this 8 over. So I'm going to minus both those things over. Those are gone. That ends up giving me x squared. Negative 3 and negative 2 is negative 5x. Minus 8 equals 0. Looking at that, can this factor? No. So we're going to have to do quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of b, so the opposite of negative 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 5 squared, minus 4 times a times c, which is negative 8, all over 2 times a, which is 1. So yay, we got to throw out quadratic formula. Haven't done that for a while. Okay, so this is x equals the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5, plus or minus negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 8 is positive 32. And 2 times 1 is 2. Again, negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 8 is positive 32. Looks like I now have x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of, what, 57? Yeah. Now, 57, I believe that's prime. I don't think you can simplify 57, so let's just leave it as that. Those are your two answers. 5 plus the square root of 57 over 2, 5 minus the square root of 57 over